Bitcoin may hit $14,000 in 2022, but buying BTC now is good as it gets, analyst. Bitcoin, BTC, faces a cycle bottom this year in which it could drop over 50% from current levels, research claims. In a Twitter thread on June 1, Venture founder, a contributor at on-chain analytics platform CryptoVerse, forecast 2022 as Bitcoin's year to capitulate. Bitcoin now has best 3-year ROI ever. Based on historical patterns involving Bitcoins having cycles, this year should be the bearish black sheep of the current 4-year cycle, Venture founder wrote. Just like 2018 and its bear market, BTC/USD should find itself a macro floor at some point in 2022, and calculating previous dips from all-time highs, this could be anywhere between $14,000 and $21,000. 670 days until the next Bitcoin halving. We are on time to BTC performance comparing to past cycles, one tweet explained. In the next 670 days, BTC will capitulate in the next 6 months and hit cycle bottom, $14.21k, then chop around in $28.40k in most of 2023 and be at $40,000 again by next halving. Such a prognosis, while not music to the ears of bulls, would not be without precedent. After hitting $3,100 in December 2018, Bitcoin managed a recovery to $13,800 7 months later before reversing downhill again to bottom at the March 2020 lows of $3,600. Even the 2019 local high was not enough to beat the record high of the time set in December 2017, $20,000. That level could yet again become a feature of the spot price chart, Venture founder believes. Those willing to ride the wave and invest, even now, will nonetheless be on the right side of history. In other words, buying Bitcoin from this point to the next 6 to 12 months is as good as it gets. Probably the best 3-year ROI ever, he added. We may not be at the cycle bottom, but we are within the range of BTC cycle bottoms. This is the best you can do when timing the market cycles. Bottom forecasts keep coming. Others have meanwhile already estimated the likely bottom range at $14,000 or nearby. Related, mega bullish signal or real breakdown? 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. That price would represent a drop of around 80% from the current $69,000 all-time high, corresponding to the previous cycle's low in percentage terms. Current levels around $31,000 are comparatively modest as a drawdown, data from on-chain analytics firm Glassnode shows. BTC/USD drawdowns from all-time highs chart. Source, Glassnode. Last month, fellow analyst Rect Capital calculated a potential target of $15,500 once BTC/USD dips below its 200-week moving average. Sellers may face difficulties in driving the market so far down. MicroStrategy, which owns the largest BTC corporate treasury, has pledged to buy into any cascade toward the $20,000 mark. Arthur Hayes, former CEO of trading giant BitMEX, has also confirmed that he would be interested in BTC at $20,000. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph.com. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision.